National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for west central El Paso County in east central Colorado until 2:45 a.m. At 11:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Wooten Road and East Platte Avenue via social media reports. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.25 to 0.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Colorado Springs, Cimarron Hills, Peterson Space Force Base, Stratmore and Security Widefield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Feels